my name is Jacob Churchill, and this video I will be making fried tofu. This is just tofu. And so I've had tofu since I was a baby. My grandma in Vietnamese bath made me it, and now I really like it, so now I know how to make it, and I will be showing you how. So first, grab it, put it in here with all the other tofus, and then you just put it on here. Well, you need oil to put on a pan, and then you're gonna like oil the thing. So you just put it on. And you'll know I like tofu if you it's gonna be the link in the description below on Ian Churchill's channel. Careful not to burn yourself. Okay, so I'm gonna need a spatula here, and so later on I'm gonna have to flip it over. So you have to like check it sometimes if it's like. If you look under it, which is really hard to, it's not like fried enough bit, so you leave it in there longer. So now we just have to wait a while for it to get ready. So I forgot to tell you that you don't actually have to use a spatula, and also you need at least an inch of oil. So like you use like one of these, you can also use chopsticks. Just pick it up, and here's under it. See, it's starting to fry a little. So I'm gonna leave it down there more. And I'll see you in a few minutes. Okay, so I finished after at least like 30 minutes of waiting and flipping. And this is what it should look like, all crispy. And, well, this, on the inside, it should still look like the same. See? And I kept this one because I'm going to give you like another way you can eat this. You can eat it like raw. Like, have you ever had miso soup or something? You can just eat it like that. It's still good. And so, that's the end of my video. Goodbye.